In this video, let me show you how to transfer a Facebook account to another phone with password. First, make sure you have a new phone where you want to transfer your Facebook account. After that, download and open the Facebook app on that phone, and then when you reach the login screen, enter the registered email or phone number associated with your Facebook account. Now, if you don't remember the password, select the Forgot Password option. After that, type in your mobile number or choose to continue with your email instead, and then follow the instructions sent to your email or phone number to reset the password. After that, log in with your new password, and then you will have access to your Facebook account on your new phone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.